Hi everyone, welcome to Harsha Trainings. Today we'll continue with our FullStack Interview Series Part 3 with our Keshav FullStack Trainer. Hi Keshav.
Hi ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So today we'll continue with Part 3, HTML Part 3.
Yes, fine.
Okay, let's start the session.
Yes.
Okay. What is IFrame and explain about it?
See, IFrame is a special tag in HTML. Using IFrame, we can able to add the content of other web page into our current web page.
Okay, the next question, how to change the frame size in IFrame?
So generally, whenever we add IFrame, by default, it will be coming with the default size. If you don't want that size, then we can able to resize it by using two attributes, height and width.
Okay, the next question, what is form in HTML and explain about it?
See, generally, whenever we want to retrieve any information from the user, then we keep one form in our web page. So from that, we can able to get the information. In that, we have different types of fields. In that, user will be entering the different data.
Okay, the next question, how to create text boxes in HTML?
So whenever we wanted to create any text box in HTML form, we have to use input tag. In that, we have to write type equal to a text so that it will be created a text box.
Okay. How to create radio buttons in HTML?
Yes, if you wanted to create any radio buttons in HTML, the same tag input we use, but this time we have to write a type equal to radio so that radio buttons will be created. And mostly we use this radio buttons whenever we have something like yes or no type questions. We can choose either between yes or no something kind. At that time we use them.
Okay, the next question is how to create drop-down in a form.
Yeah, whenever we want to create any drop-down box, we have other name for the drop-down box. It is like select box. Using a special tag called select tag, we can able to create it. Inside the select tag, we have to provide option. That is, if you have 4 options in the drop-down box, we have to provide 4 option tags so that we can able to create a drop-down box in any form.
Okay, the next question is how to make a particular field mandatory in a form.
Yeah. In HTML, if you want to create any particular field in the form to be a mandatory field, we have to use one special attribute called required. So if we keep that required in that particular field, then that particular field becomes mandatory. If we do not enter data in that field and if we try to submit, the data will not be submitted.
Okay, what is action attribute in a form and why we use it?
Yeah, action is a special attribute available in the form tag. Inside the action, we mention the address of the server page. That means whenever we enter any data in a form, the moment we submit that data, the data actually should go to the backend server, right? So that address where actually the data should go, that particular address we have to mention in the action attribute so that we can send the data to the server.
Okay, the next question is what is field set tag and why we use it?
Field set is a special tag available in the HTML. We use field set to group 2 or more fields in the form. That is like we have so many fields generally in the form. If you want to group few of them into a separate section, then we use field set tag.
And the final question is how to upload any file to a form.
So whenever we wanted to upload any file to the form, that is like a resume, maybe in the form of document or any other file, or we have something like photograph or something like signature. At that time, we have to create one upload file field in the form so that we can apply. To create that upload file field, we have to use input type equal to file so that we can able to upload any file to our form.
So thank you Keshav. So we'll continue next videos.
Yes.
Okay. So please subscribe to Harsha Trainings channel for more videos. Thank you.
Hello guys, please subscribe to Harsha Trainings channel for more videos and